Have you ever wondered why the market reacts so strongly to certain levels, almost like it was planned in advance? That's exactly what the MK Pro Fundamental Analyzer is designed to show you. On this chart, you'll notice two important lines. The top line is bear locked, and the bottom line is bull locked. These aren't just random support or resistance zones. They're calculated liquidity levels where the market has historically committed to either sellers or buyers. Watch what happened here. When price tapped into the bear-locked zone, the market reacted immediately and sold off hard. That's the power of bearish liquidity being locked into the market. Now, look at the bull-locked zone below. This is where we can expect buyers to potentially step in. It becomes a roadmap showing us where the next reaction could happen. The beauty of MK Pro is that it identifies these levels automatically, in real time. You don't have to spend hours trying to draw zones, measure wicks, or second-guess where liquidity might sit. It's done for you with precision. So the takeaway is simple. Whenever you see bear-locked, expect strong selling pressure. Whenever you see bull-locked, prepare for possible buying reactions. Combine that with your trade setup, and you'll have a huge edge in timing entries and exits. That's how MK Pro turns complex market behavior into clear, actionable insight, giving you confidence in every trade.